using Command is allowed me to reach out to my sphere and keep that organized. We have probably 1,100, 1,200 contacts in Command. We have a process whenever we do have a client and we offboard them, meaning that they have closed on a property. We immediately go in and we add their address, we add their birthday, we add the date that they bought the home. We set them up on 2 different plans. We set them up on a smart plan for a neighborhood nurture. So it actually pulls the new listings, in their actual neighborhood that they closed on. They like that because they want to see what that investment has done for them over time. 2, we like it because we can actually see the properties that they're looking at, but it really helps us generate a conversation with a client that we normally wouldn't. We also put them up on a quarterly call plan. So that's very, very important because every day when I log into Command, if it's time for me to reach out to that sphere or reach out to that past client, I get a notification there to immediately reach out to them. I can do it via text, I can do it, via phone call, and I can log all that information. It really helps me stay organized. Keller Williams has done a really, really good job with adapting it. How can this be used, by the agent? What does the agent need? And it's kind of tailored around your use. One of the reasons we decided to go to it, I don't want to be entering in different contact information or opportunities in multiple platforms. I don't want to pay for extra ones as well. The return on investment for this is time. I save money. It's really a nice tool to use if you're an agent, especially a busy agent.